welcome back to John Cleese Cardio. My name is Max and today we've got a Volvo S90 2019 year. Now this particular vehicle didn't have a reverse camera from factory. Our customer wanted something which works through the original screen and even has the ability to add a front camera at a later date. So let's have a little look around the back of the vehicle and I can show you what the camera looks like. Around the back of the vehicle, you'll notice no chunky cameras. Our reverse camera is neatly placed down below in the number plate region. This little flush camera here is going to give you a view of what's going on down under below the car. So when you're reversing, you can reverse with confidence. You're not going to knock any small children over or reverse into a wall. Save money on damages, just get a reverse camera fitted. So let's go inside the vehicle and then we'll have a little look at what the image looks like. We're now in the interior of the Volvo. Now we can do this same solution for the XC90s, V90s, all of the Volvo range which have this similar screen where you've got the portrait style touchscreen. Our reverse camera solution and front camera solution can work onto this vehicle. So it's quite easy, the operation of it, straightforward. Put your foot on the brake, grab the gear stick, stick it into reverse, and then the reverse camera image will come up like so. So that gives a great view. We can see more than 10 feet behind us, almost seeing 5.5 foot up the workshop, which is a great view for such a low camera position. But this camera is just going to allow you to see everything behind you. So when you're reversing up into those tight spaces, you can get right up and close. You can just about see the bumper as well, which gives you a good idea of how close you are to said objects that you're reversing up to. Now, this particular installation doesn't have moving guidelines on it, it's just static guidelines, but those guidelines there will help guide you into the position and just give you an idea of the width of the car. When you come out of reverse, it will literally just go back to the factory system, and that is that. Put it into reverse, reverse camera image, back out into drive, and then that will go away. That's pretty much it for this brief video from John Cleese Cardio. If you've got a vehicle you want to add a reverse camera to, doesn't matter if it's a Volvo or any other manufacturer, please get in contact with us and we will provide a solution for you. Thanks for watching, take care and goodbye.